Alright, I'm back after our big, we've only done like 10 miles in the last 2 days. Waterfall night and then river afternoon, and got up at 5, hit the trail by 7-ish, and this is, I don't know, 2 or 3 miles, and there's Mountaineer Falls. It's not as nice as the other falls, and it doesn't look as cool as the one coming up, Laurel Falls, but yeah, it's cool. Right here directly on the trail, so that's cool. You don't have to go on any little side trails. Let's go do 20 miles. Pouring rain. It's quite tropical everywhere I've gone for the last 450 miles. Or whatever. It's lighting up a lot. I actually posted up a goofy little shelter real fast for the worst of it. I've been seeing these little cells sweep around me. I've been lucky all day. I'm hoping this one doesn't last. The trail's turned into a creek pretty quick. I got about 1.5 miles to go. Where the hell was that thing an hour ago? Old school log cabin. I would have gotten in there, hopped up in there, had a peanut butter tortilla, and waited for this to go away. Sounds like the rain is going to start edging back. Too late now. I'm already soaked. No use in hiding out from it. Sometimes this is just what walking the AT looks like. On a road in the rain. Called Black Bear Resort. There's a little resupply shop in there. They have tenting. I think tenting, I don't know. We'll find out. What a cute bridge. Oh, it smells so nice over here. Hey look, there's forest fire, all nice and dry. Look at him. Look how nice and dry. Look how nice and dry he is. Should have kept up with that shit.